How to show the tiny little symbols that appear above every key on your keyboard. And this is for the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Here's where you can go to turn on this setting. So as you can see currently, there is no tiny symbols above each key. This is the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Make sure you have the latest update to get access to all the features. So in order to turn it on, you'll see these three dots at the top right here when your keyboard pops up. So tap on that once. Then I want you to go where it says settings. And as you enter into the settings section, you will go to where it says layout and keys, this one right here. And as you enter here, you're going to look for the one that says long press symbols, this one right here, and that's going to show those hidden keys or show it above the keyboard. So I'll show my keyboard here in a moment. You'll notice they are not here. And when I come here to turn it on, this one right here, once again, long press symbols, you'll see how it'll show up now. See how that shows up now? And that's what you want to turn on to get access to them. And in order to actually use them when you're typing, you're simply going to long press each key to get access. So for example, for the asterisk here, I'll long press the F here, and you'll see, that was the wrong one, F here, you'll see how the asterisk, once you release it, it's going to show up here. Same with the plus, I'll hold down the H, and it's going to show up there, like in 7.